Let's see how to connect your projector to your Android phone via Wi-Fi. So basically here you just need to have the option available for a projector. In this case I'm using this one. I'll leave the link in the description, okay? This projector has the feature to connect phones. So basically here, if I get the remote control, in here in the main menu you see that I have the apps available on the left side. And here I have the option for Miracast. That's the one to connect to Android phones. And also have here the option for Cast that connects to iPhones, okay? So I'm gonna use Miracast right now, so I just need to come here and enable Miracast and come here to my phone. And here on the right side, I just need to make sure that I have my Wi-Fi connected to the same network. You see that I have my Wi-Fi -24, which is my router just right here. And the projector is connecting to the same router, the same signal. That's critical. You just need to use the same connection, otherwise it's not gonna work. As long as you have both connected to the same network, then you come here and look for this option, Smart View, okay? One more time, let me just show you here. So basically just need to come here to the right top, scroll down, and you can scroll down one more time, look here in the menu if you have Smart View available. If it's not here, perhaps you have a second page that you just need to move to the second page, or you can come down and look for Smart View just right here. Just tap on it and wait for it to load the options available. You see that I have here projector, also have my Roku TV, and I'm going to select projector. So it's basically connecting there. You just need to wait for a while. It takes like 15 to 20 seconds and it connects. See, that's connected back there. Just approach here so you see better. That's connecting and it's working, okay? And it's pretty easy to connect that way as long as you have the projector available with this option. Again, here is the projector that I'm using. I'll leave the link here in the description. You can get this one also on Amazon. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.